Hello guys, and today I'm back with another Subway Surfer video. I didn't do much Subway Surfer video, but I'm back to Subway Surfers. So today I got a lot of characters. Look how much keys and coins I have. Look. That is so much. Look, all with a very good. I spend my money to get all these keys. And eventually, I have all these characters. And you know, if you say you spend a lot of money, what you're doing with your life? I don't know, but you know, just a little $5 million. It is a lot, $5 million, just to spend on a Subway Surfer game. That's a lot of money, you think? But I did it. So shut up and listen. I don't know what to say, so I just say whatever I want. But okay, the most expensive. This guy, the Prince K, with the shine outfit, it is really pricey. And with the boards, the hot rod. Oh, okay, good. Teleporter. This was the first skateboard I bought. The teleporter. I found it was the coolest, and when I bought it and used it, it was trash. The speed up, when you have a speed up like this one. Don't know. Should I do this? I don't know. Should I? Or would I? I did it. One cool skateboard. Actually, look at it. It's free. Cool. I'm gonna use the Chicky for today. Should I use Prince K? Comment down below what next Subway Surfer video should I do, what challenges should I do, and what characters and boards should I use, and what should I buy. I know that's a lot of questions, but you need to do them for you to be my viewers. So, let's get to play this. Boom! I meant boom. Sorry. I think it's my mistake. But look at this. My high score is really popping. I am top 2 from the United Kingdom. Obviously, because I buy a lot of stuff. And I have a lot of keys. And this is a trick. Keep on rolling. Boom. You get 2 achievements. I don't know what you call these. A magnet and some boots. You get 2. Oh, it's lagging. It's staying the same number, I think. Look. When I die, it's staying the same number. The keys are not going down. I like it because you know, you don't have to spend more money to play it. Look, it's still, the number at the end is still 46. How dare you? And actually, I didn't buy Facebook because I don't have a Facebook account yet. Because, like, now a little more so I get to use the Facebook. But some way it was 80, like 80,000, and I managed to buy Dino. Like, I don't know how, but it was 80,000. And I bought it without logging into Facebook. This is Mommy. Johnny. I don't really like Spike with the punk outfit, even with the rock outfit. I just like him as Spike. Utani. Okay. I like this guy, but with sport outfit. Makes him cooler. It makes him like a basketball pro. You get this Jake Dark outfit for free. You can download Subway Surfers, and you'll get Jake with the dark outfit for free. And a long time ago, back in the day, this outfit was free as well, or was like only 5 keys. I don't know, but this one was really cheap. I don't know if it was free, but now it is 30 keys. Yeah. Actually, I didn't do this free. I don't know if I'm mistaken it with the dark outfit, but the dark outfit is free. Hopefully, I'm not mistaken it with the dark outfit. But I'm sure there was one free. Don't know which one was it. Tricky! You only got 2 beanies and you get chicks. What a shame. Actually, I have a lot of keys. Like, if I buy the heart outfit or the camo outfit, it's not really a big deal. I'm gonna buy the camo outfit and the heart outfit today. Boom, boom. And I'm gonna swipe to the left. Buy this for the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.